Welcome to ZeroPoint University, the world's first subconscious community. The ZeroPoint is the beginning to every end and the end to every beginning. That neutral space of primordial existence where everything is nothing and nothing is all. Here at ZPU, we believe that knowledge is power, so we compiled a wealth of information to aid in the repairing of your mental, physical, and spiritual bodies. We are tribe-based, with each member being dedicated and committed to the advancement of wholeness, oneness, and the illumination of truth. We encourage you to set up an account and take a tour of the amazing learning features the platform has to offer. We are here to support your legal and spiritual sovereignty and congratulate you on taking the first step today. We welcome you to the tribe, wholeness and love from the ZPU family.